How to delete an Uber Eats account. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can delete an Uber Eats account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete your Uber Eats account, first of all launch the Uber app on your device. Once you launch the Uber app, tap the profile icon which is at the very top right hand side of the screen. Then over here you want to simply go to the settings option, swipe down or scroll down, then tap the option called privacy and then select the option called account settings, and under it tap on the option called delete your account which is at the very bottom of the screen. Once you tap on delete account, then simply log into your Uber account with email and then tap on the next option. Then enter the 4-digit code received via text message or call on the verification code box and then tap on the verify button. Swipe down and tap the continue button on the bottom page. Then after that, choose the region for deleting your Uber account, and after that finally tap the delete account button to confirm the account deletion. Once the account deletion process is gone, you will be logged out of your Uber account and will be temporarily deactivated for 30 days. Now to delete your Uber Eats account, you must actually delete your whole Uber account, and this is simply how it works because Uber Eats and Uber account is simply the same. This includes your ride-hailing taxi app Uber. If you only want to delete Uber Eats alone, you can remove the app from your Android or iOS phone by uninstalling it, but note that the main Uber account still exists. And this is simply it. Hopefully this video cleared the confusion. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.